Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren said school Phagat Hansi mission at newly upgraded Moirangpurel High School of Andhra constituency. And fire gutted down classrooms and boarding house of TN Memorial Academy at Hairok Part 3, Champra Thongmakong and Thoubal district last midnight. Good afternoon. Welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangjum, bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren today said school Phagat Hansi mission at the newly upgraded Moirangpurel High School of Andhra constituency. Department of Education School organized the inaugural event at Moirangpurel High School complex. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister N. Biren stressed on the significance of teachers in building a good society and urged them to carry out their duties diligently. He reassured that modern infrastructure and adequate teachers will be provided to all the 60 model schools selected under the mission. Chief Minister N. Biren claims success of the nearly 3-year-old BJP government's initiatives to enhance human resources in the state. He also said the government has provided Chief Minister Haksel Gitengbang CMHT cards to over 6 lakh beneficiaries. Biren said the government is committed to uproot corruption right from the grassroots level in the state, stating that the government is extending necessary assistance to UPSC aspirants. Chief Minister N. Biren hoped that aspirants, upon achieving success, will strive for development of the state.
Yam nungai badi Education Department ki Director, Commissioner, Education Minister. Yam na koina time bound da hai bani sigi schools hai. Masigi thabak se time bound da hoga be aroi. Apik pa pre-nursery ki isi lairam da bani na. Atopa private school da tamure pre-nursery na. Adu ka class 1 da government school da hongo oi di adu bani. Ano hoje koina lokal isi pre-nursery ki class school ki body da hanga isi. Pre-nursery loi kana class 1 matang adum se lai jagre ni. Adu de koi chhatra su wala ro kes. Ano wazar sing da ina apel tong ning ba. Yaring gai wazar sing na transfer posting gumma kari gumma koi Education Department na government na sigi sima sida thara di ina khallaga ro papo hoi politically la koduna amani adu ko manata badadi yaringai beer dominator ka adagi satra satri gi life sima yaringai khoi bargaining to bidaba ransom tan magi mongda parikha thaba yauro adu khoi to akhoi gi adu pi dadi ga haibugum basi tabadu yam wa ba haitare ojama wera kanda magi macha society sigi future samaj sigi damakta leiriba angang isa nusi grama mayam sigi parikha exam ama sahi ama gi tawgudab no akhoi na haiba adu yada di tawroi ga si tawdra ga hairoi dam adu responsibility ojama gi responsibility do madu gi diet do madu khang ta hon ni haijebani ko ina haijebse.
Speaking at the event, Education Minister Dr. Thokchom Radheshyam said Chief Minister's School Phagat Hansi aims to enhance education system in the state on a mission mode by selecting 60 schools for upgrading. He also invited suggestions and feedbacks at the mission's grievance cell. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Thanaujam Shyam Kumar lauded Chief Minister N. Biren's brainchild mission of reviving schools right from pre-primary level of every constituencies, including Andhra, which has been lagging behind for the past 15 years. The mission was implemented at Moirangpurel High School, Haingang High School, Singtamai Chingamaka High School, Praja High School and SK Ideal High School out of the 60 model schools selected from each constituencies in the state for the first phase today.
Ana Edit Primary or School ni 2011 the high school olakpan just 8 years the primary Edit Primary school lam diksira tarok pai se kyam yam advance we jam du khare na yam sakhala is di sahi ohum sira ne ba akoi na pajara ba sahi ohum sira yam council is masi kari gi noi kan akoi whole team led by honorable chief minister education da aina yam nungai jena thabak tawjaba ngam jaba koi team ngam jaba si kai noi kan honorable cm na education yam thawai yobi ba aduga akoi gi kabi rei ba khuding manus thawai yoba aduna mission mota chang koni na oja sing na so parents sing na so masi akoi na hudok cheriba thawrei ba pik iba num si graba ngang sing sem bagi mission se masi mayam punang na saruk yaraga mating pangbiyo
Singhong Chia Amati district ki kuding maksi samana pukatna ba sumba pangka mo pubira pasi honorable chief minister si Manipur praja singna amati andro kendra ki praja sing marui na si mangda phami ba isu ko ba angang ba isa su myam ba khoi na hing saura kan dadi pe photo ina thela ka line na khoi duk khalak khine ba adi matam de khoi na si ngai jari ba education yaw da ne na si yaro na khambira ba sumba chief minister ma Manipur praja phangja ba khoi khuding bi laibak phabani aduga honorable chief minister sumba vision san ba wakhan saw ba masagi woi ba thi da ba praja ki ne ha ga de kathok ba sumba chief minister ko na phangja magi makhat thabak sujaba imate akoi thagali amadi nungai jai.
And on the other hand, fire gutted down classrooms and boarding house of TN Memorial Academy at Hairok Patri, Champra Thongmakong in Thoubal district last midnight. Reports said the fire suspected to have sparked from an electric short circuit from the school's neighboring poultry farm owned by one Krishna Mohan. The school, built with wooden planks, catered to around 400 students from nursery class till class 8. The fire destroyed properties worth 13 lakh rupees, 17 classrooms, major portion of the founder's house, 2 computer, 10 CCTVs, furniture and gold worth more than 5 lakh rupees were gutted down. 3 fire tender of Manipur Fire Service and local residents tried to douse the fire, which took around 2 hours.
Kanghogdaba maihong langpok si pung taramat koiga makhai sa do khanapani igelonaba tamu kusu mohongi mari ye loiba pham amandagi tunu leidiba malsang khaitang nang ana leiba office ka oina mayo tumna sakle sakle sida ta senanga yum adagi boarding school yamba tumna sakle property yamba kaimta lehodre se sang document file process man adagi Terima fair service ohum na kan badang ang kita report ko mal sang da amaronda sarapa kor amaga na control
Wangjing Tentha MLA Paunam Brojan inaugurated a women hostel of YK College, Wangjing today. The 30-bedded 8-room hostel worth 78 lakh rupees was constructed under UGC Grant 12 plan. Northeastern Economic Association NEEA will hold its 21st annual conference on a theme Achieving Sustainable Development Goals in Northeastern region of India on February 14th and 15th. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the recent daily polls outcome. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. And in Delhi, Aam Aadmi Party has come back to power for the third term, winning assembly election with a thumping majority of 62 out of the 70 assembly seats. This is for the second time that the party has swept the election, winning more than 2/3 of the seats. In 2015, the party has won 67 seats. Bharatiya Janata Party has won 8 seats, 5 more than the last assembly. However, the party managed to increase its vote share by over 6% from last elections. 0.46% voters pressed the note button. Prominent AAP leaders who won the election included Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal from New Delhi, Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia from Patparganj, Gopal Rai from Babarpur, Satyendra Jain from Sakur Basti, Raghav Chadha from Rajendra Nagar, Rakhi Birla from Mangolpuri, and Ajay Dutt from Ambedkar Nagar. 8 of its 9 women candidates won the election. Among sitting BJP MLAs, Vijender Gupta from Rohini and Om Prakash Sharma from Vishwanagar managed to hold the fort against their AAP challenges. Congress was nowhere in the reckoning as it could not open the account for the second time in a row. Party performance touched a new low with all except 3 of its candidates lost their deposits. Delhi Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal dissolved the 6th Legislative Assembly of the National Capital Territory of Delhi yesterday. A new order will be issued for the formation of the 7th Legislative Assembly. Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party National Convener Arvind Kejriwal has called a meeting of the party's newly elected MLAs at his residence in New Delhi today. Senior party leader Gopal Rai said MLAs will choose the AAP's legislature party leader during the meeting. After the selection of the legislature party leader, Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal will be appraised of it. Thereafter, a notification will be issued. And now the sports news. Chennai City FC will lock horns with Kerala Gokulam FC in a match of the ongoing Hero I-League at Chennai's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium tonight at 7. In yesterday's league match, Aizawl FC beat Rao FC 2-0 at Aizawl's Rajiv Gandhi Stadium. Abdoulaye Kanote scored 2 winning goals at the 75th and 87th minute of the match. And Goa FC will play against Mumbai City FC in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-2020 at Goa's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium tonight at 7:30. ATK with 33 points is on the top of the league's table tally. Goa FC with 33 points and Bangalore FC with 29 points each are at the second and third position respectively. Hyderabad FC will lock horns with Jamshedpur FC in the next league match tomorrow. Before we conclude, let's take a look at headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren said school Phagat Hansi mission at newly upgraded Moirangpuril High School of Andhra constituency. And fire gutted down classrooms and boarding house of TN Memorial Academy at Hairok Part 3, Champra Thong Makong in Thoubal district last midnight.